In this video, we're going to analyze Rei Ayanami's quote from Neon Genesis Evangelion. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
いいえ、あなたは死なないわ。私が守るもの。
So today's quote is あなたは死なないわ。私が守るもの。あなた means you, used towards someone in a lower status or equal in a polite manner. In this scene, Rei is speaking to Shinji, a classmate and co-worker as Ava pilots for Nerve. Wa indicates that she's going to talk about Anata. Shinanai means won't die. Wa adds feminine flavor to the sentence, which is often used in anime. In a real conversation, it can be replaced with yo, which sounds more convincing. If you want to make a statement more declarative and decisive, you can just say あなたは死なない without any sentence ending particles. Watashi means I, commonly used by females, but in a formal situation, males use watashi as well. Mamoru means protect. Ga is used when the speaker emphasizes what comes before, which is watashi here. So Rei is emphasizing that she is the one who will protect Shinji. Mono, meaning because, is used to give a good reason for what you do or what you say. It's usually used by females or children. When you hear mono, you will probably think of mono meaning a thing, or mono meaning a person. But this mono is a conjunction, so it's always written in hiragana. In colloquial speech, it's often simplified to mon, which sounds more childish. Here are some examples. 絶対試験に合格する。一生懸命勉強したもん。ゲームやめて宿題しなさい。宿題もうやったもん。The clause with mono can be first, followed by the main clause. So, 私が守るもの。あなたは死なないわ。Meaning, I will protect you, so you won't die. It depends on which sentence you want to emphasize. With the Japanese grammar structure, the important information comes at the end of the sentence. So in this case, the emphasis is on the second clause, you won't die. So, あなたは死なないわ。私が守るもの means you won't die because I will protect you. Rei is indicating her strong will that she's going to protect Shinji. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.